let's chat about, just brainstorm some quick ways that if somebody's like, yeah, I would love to do that, but gosh, I need to put food on my table yesterday.
Right.
What are some things that if you were, go back to when you were in that position, what did you do? Is that something that folks could do today? Or what are some other things that come to mind kind of quickly?
Yeah, that's a really good question because, of course, you asked, what did I do? I'm thinking, well, I went to garage sales and I found things and I
You
resold
did.
them. And, we have a bunch of things in our entry actually that are waiting to work their way to be donated somewhere. And
Right.
there's no place that's going to take them right now. So
Right.
that's not really the
Mhm.
same. The opportunities are different.
Yeah.
And I think you nailed it in just that there is still lots of opportunity out there, and we want to bring hope. And one of the things that, Ryan, I know you love to do this. We love to do this together, is brainstorm and
Mm-hmm.
figure out, okay, this is not a stop to things. It means pivot. And so what does that
Right.
look like? And so things that, for quick money right now, there's still there's still needs. So that really looking at what is
Sure.
needed right now, and
Right.
then how can I fill it? So what are
Mm-hmm.
the needs? I think one thing you mentioned right before we got on the call was like mowing lawns.
Mm-hmm.
It's sunny here in Northwest, and so I can hear lawnmowers all day. But
Yeah.
that just getting out there and doing those old school things are
Mm-hmm.
valuable. They're really
Yeah.
valuable right now. And so there's opportunity there. One thing that came to mind was a couple weeks ago. It feels like a year ago, but it was probably
Mm-hmm.
like 5 days ago.
Mm-hmm.
Someone shared with me a flyer or a postcard that was circling around on social media, and basically it said, hey, I live here
Mm-hmm.
and I am available to run errands for you if something's broken and you need a
Yeah.
handyman, or whatever you need. If you want to call and just chat, here's
Mm-hmm.
my number. And they basically just
Mm-hmm.
went to their neighborhood and passed out these postcards. And I
Love
thought that's
it.
brilliant, because a lot of,
Yes.
we are supposed to be staying home, but how can
Mm-hmm.
we be in community? And I think that really that's kind of the answer. Looking at how
Mm-hmm.
you can serve other people and what the
Mm-hmm.
needs are is going to show you
Mm.
where opportunities are to make money even right now.